Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and today we're going to be unboxing the Fusion RA70NSX. This is a unique radio from Fusion as it fits in a single DIN opening. You open the box, you will have the radio. Underneath this divider, you will have your accessory bag, which will have various cables and some hardware, and then you will have your documentation. In the accessory bag, you will have your single DIN mounting plate. This goes on the back side and then has little grooves that will line up the bracket into the single DIN opening. You will have your auxiliary input and zone harness. You will have your power and speaker harness. And on the NSX version, you will have a NEMA 2000 cable. On the regular RA70, you will not have that. Mounting hardware, gasket, and your end caps to cover the screws on the radio. On the radio itself, you have a large volume knob and encoder to select different menu options. You have a menu button. You have a source button, backtrack, next track, power button, play and pause. You also have a black and white display here that will display the song information as well as your menu information and volume information. Large heat sink on the side. And then on the back of the radio, you have your speaker and power input. You have your auxiliary harness. You have your fuse under this rubber cover right there. You have your USB, NEMA 2000, your AM/FM antenna, and your SiriusXM input. On the regular RA70, you will not have this NEMA 2000 or SiriusXM port. This will give you a great marine radio in your existing opening. That's a single DIN radio. This will slide right in. This bracket goes on the back side. In that mounting slot, these grooves line it up, put the radio in, screw it down, and you will then have a nice marine grade radio. That wraps it up for the RA70, and this was the NSX variant. I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine. You can find this product in the link below. And thanks for watching.